Back the curtain just a little bit. What we do is during that commercial break is we kind of cue up our first birthday picture, and it's in our monitors and whatnot. And the resounding sound throughout the studio when Paisley Skaggs' picture popped up, it was the three of us. There's me, Bronte, and Carrie behind the camera, all going, "Aww!" Just adorable picture right there. Paisley, a very happy second birthday in Iola.
Next, out of Joplin, we have Elijah Harris, turning 3. Special birthday message says, "From Dad, happy birthday, who misses you so much. Can't wait till he gets to see you again." That's so sweet.
Awesome birthday wish from Dad. Now we've got an Elijah Harris in Pittsburgh, and now we've got an Elijah Harris in Joplin. Too cool. Carry on that tradition there across state lines. That's awesome. On to Trayton Markley. Oh, looks like we got best friend in our arms right there. Trayton, a happy and 11th birthday in Golden City.
Next, out of Joplin, we have Devon Irvin turning 12 with his little buddy, and he has love from Mom, Dad, Logan, and Jalen.
That's good. Casey Dietz celebrating her 15th birthday. I love all these pictures with everybody's pets/animals. That's great. Casey, a happy 15. Now, her birthday was yesterday, but we're going to go ahead and carry Casey's birthday on into the weekend.
Next, out of Pittsburgh, we have Trevor Mazurao. He's turning 27 years old.
We've got more from that family coming up here in just a little bit. We're going to dive back into that. Lois Ryda is turning 90 years old. Miss Lois, a very happy birthday to you, and what a beautiful picture. She is in Thayer, and that gentleman there on the left, well, that happens to be Lois's grandson, Dakota Trout. And Dakota, that is a great picture of you and Grandma right there. Dakota is also in Thayer.
Next, out of Pittsburgh, we have an anniversary for Charlie and Diana Mazurao. Oh, you're right.
I told you we'd come back and get them.
Circling back to that family.
Yeah.
40th anniversary. That's amazing.
Now, not indicated, so please forgive Bronte and I's ignorance on this. I do not know if Trevor is the son of Charlie and Diana. But if he is, I feel bad because now that Trevor's up into his mid to late 20s, Charlie and Diana are like, "Happy birthday, kiddo. We're going to go celebrate our anniversary." Okay, we've been together 40 years.
What a
Congratulations, Charlie and Diana. And who that is? That man right there goes by the name of John Hout. He is our national sales manager. If it weren't for John, his excellent staff, and everybody on what we call the north side of the building, nothing like this show would ever exist. Jonathan, you know that I hope you know that we love you. Also, too, he is what I call my numbers cruncher extraordinaire. Anything I need numbers-wise when it comes to any show, John has them really before I even ask the question. He's got them at his fingertips. John, a happy birthday from all of us here at the station, and maybe if I run into you, hopefully I get a chance to run into you later today. Sarah Lankford celebrating a birthday in Carterville. Sarah, a happy birthday to you. Cindy Minnelli, she is in Franklin, Kansas. Have a great one, Cindy. Jaylee Phillips, now 11 years old. Jaylee is celebrating in Parsons. And Janae Grenier, a sweet 16th. Janae, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from Grandma. Janae is in Elsmore. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Now, here's Bronte Sorotsky with a very important birthday announcement.
You can be part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up, and you can get special deals from local businesses. So go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. Now here's Michael with what's coming up next on the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14.
Thank you, Bronte.